So by default, you can see that the background that I have in Microsoft Whiteboard is white. So if I were to go around and let's say, for example, type in some text, you can see that it remains in a white background. Let me just bring in a sticky note over here as well. So if you want to change out your background, then you can go around over here onto the top right hand side and you can see that you got this settings menu over here. Once you click on it, you can see that there's format background as an option. So once you click on format background, what you can do is you can select the color you want the background to be in. Let's say, for example, click this and you can see that the yellow color is now selected and the background is yellow now. You can go around and select blue and now the background is blue. So you can select from the light colors right here and then the background simply changes to that particular color, or you can go around and select dark entirely as well. Apart from that, you can select dots right here to display dots. I'm going to turn this into white so that you can see it right here. So you can turn it into dots right here. You can turn it into squares and you can have other options like this graph, as you can see right here, hybrid and diamond, as you can see right here. So if you want to create some shapes, then you can use these as guides as well. There's like narrow and so forth. So it almost looks like a note copy, as you can see. And on top of that, you can choose the color as a background and the pattern, the grid background, and the color stays at the same time as well. And that is how you can work around with format background option inside of Microsoft Whiteboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.